Imagine ordering a brand new house and having it built before your morning coffee gets cold. Meet Charlotte, a spider-like robot that can 3D print a full-sized home in just 24 hours. Yes, really. Charlotte comes from Crest Robotics and Earthbuilt technology, two Australian companies pushing the boundaries of construction tech. They've created a semi-autonomous robot that combines 3D printing and robotics to build houses directly from raw materials. It was unveiled at the International Astronomical Congress in Sydney, because apparently building on Earth just isn't ambitious enough anymore. Charlotte moves across a construction site on a spider-like legs, positioning itself over the build area and printing each wall layer by layer. Instead of using traditional bricks or concrete trucks, it compresses local materials, sand, soil, even crushed rubble, into strong layered walls. No scaffolding, no heavy machinery, no wasted trips to Home Depot. Here's why that matters for all of us. Especially in the US, where housing costs keep climbing, Charlotte can work around the clock, cutting labour needs, build times and costs. It also slashes carbon emissions and material waste, making construction faster, cleaner and far more sustainable. The team says it can work as fast as 100 bricklayers, and that could transform how we build homes, schools and even disaster recovery housing. And it doesn't stop here. Charlotte's creators are already eyeing up space construction, building lunar habitats for NASA's Artemis missions. If it can print homes on the moon, it can certainly handle your backyard. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to Robot Philosophy website to join the waiting list for the workshops or to speak with the team directly about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.